In this video, I'm going to go through and do a comparison of the different types of tax, accounting, and bookkeeping services that are available here in New York City or state for your small business. The purpose when you hire an accountant, bookkeeper, tax professional is to, number one, help you minimize taxes. Number two, help you sleep at night and stay legal and compliant. And number three, help you, take care of your books and records and help you, see where the business is, help you manage and grow the business. Okay? So the first choice that you have is to hire a bookkeeper who will then work with an accountant. And the bookkeepers typically, what are the typical prices for a bookkeeper? Usually bookkeepers, I would say, start with $200, $200, $300 a month and up. And they'll help you keep track of the expenses that you have and provide the information to an accountant who will, at the end of the year, prepare your taxes. The advantages you get to work, obviously, with a bookkeeper who is helping you keep track of the income and expenses. But a disadvantage is that there's really no connectivity between many times there's a disconnect between the books and the accountant and who's looking to do tax planning. So that could be an issue. So that's choice number one. Choice number two is to hire a tax planner who will, prepare a tax plan for you and show and point out various ways to save you money in taxes. The disadvantage of that, and typically that cost, the cost for this type of service is usually I've seen between $5,000 as high as $15,000, $20,000. The disadvantage is that this is a consultant that only going to list some strategies, but is not going to help you with implementing those strategies. And many times I've spoken to clients, to individuals who have hired these people, and they get this fancy report, and it just goes in the drawer. So that's a challenge. I guess sometimes the advice can be adhered to, but many times, if not most cases, it's not. So that's the second choice. The third choice is to hire an accountant that is comprehensive, that is going to do your accounting and bookkeeping, that is going to prepare your tax returns, that is going to sit down with you and do a full comprehensive tax plan. There's no there are no disconnects. Everything is all connected, and that accountant, again, is able to do the planning, is able to see what's going on, and able to really, really give you insights. And you have peace of mind knowing that you don't have to go different places, go to a bookkeeper, go to a tax planner somewhere else. All this is combined in one. So what is the typical cost of this? The typical cost, I would say, is anywhere between $500 to start. And if you have a really large business, as it really, really grows to multi-million dollars, it could go as high, not higher usually than $1,500 a month. Okay, so that's really the summary of the different types of accounting services out there. If you want to learn more information about tax saving tips, please feel free to click on the link in the description of this video where you can learn more to save lots of money in taxes.